Here I've got V-Mobile S39 and let me show you how to grab a screen, how to take a screenshot on the following device. So at first let's open some display that we would like to capture. We can go to the settings and pick, for example, display wallpaper, and let's share with someone the wallpaper that we have, the most outstanding one. It can be, for example, this one. And now simply tap on power key all together with volume down key and hold them for about 2 or 3 seconds, just like that. And that's it. As you can see, the screenshot has been made, and now we can go to the gallery to open it. So let's open list of all applications, find and pick gallery. Here it is. And now you will find screenshot album here. Simply open it, and here it is. Now you can share your screenshot with your friends. You can edit it by tapping on the pen icon. You can obviously delete it or do whatever you want to with the screenshot. So that would be all. From now on you will be able to grab a screen in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.